Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this question. See the question. The average height of the first six student is 70 centimeter. Okay. The average height of first six student is 70 centimeter. The average height of last eight student is 75 centimeter. The average height of total 16 student is 100 centimeter. The average height of total 16 student is 100 centimeter. So what is we have to find the average height of rest two student. Find the average height of rest two student. So what we have given? We have given the average of 16 student is what? Average of 16 average height of 16 student is 100 centimeter. ठीक है. Okay. And the average height of first six student means 1 to 5. Average height of first six student 1 to 5 is 70. Okay. And the average height of last eight student is 75 centimeter. Means last eight means sorry, the question is saying the average of first six students. See, the average height of first six student is 70. Okay, but okay, so here the average of 16 student is given. The sum of 16 student is what? Sum of 16 student is average into total number is equal to sum. From here we got the sum. Okay, so the sum of 16 student is 100 into 16, which is 1600, and the sum of 6 student is 70 into 6, which is 420. Okay, and the sum of 8 student is 75 into 8, which is 8 5 ja 40, 4 is carry, 8 7 ja 56, so 600. Okay, so guys, see the average of 16, sorry, the sum of first 16 student is this, and the sum of all the 16 student is this, and the sum of first 6 student is this, and the sum of last 8 student is this. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So 600 plus 420 is what? Is 1020 minus 600. When we minus this, so we get the sum of remaining two. Okay, we get the sum of remaining two, which is equal to 580. So this 580 is what? This 580 is sum of remaining two स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, तो सम ऑफ रिमेनिंग टू स्टूडेंट आ गया. तो एवरेज निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे? एवरेज इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? Average formula is sum of sum of all number, which is this. Sum of all two student is this. So 580 upon में total student is what? कितने लोगों का ये sum है? Basically two remaining का. हाँ, तो total number is 2, and when you do this, what? So 290. So the average of remaining 2 is 290. Okay, I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके गाइस, बाय बाय.